today's Homesteading Adventures, we will be growing potatoes. Now, today we have built, actually this is yesterday, we have built this potato grower set thing. Now, like in the description, if you want to build this and stuff. Anyways, so what we did to start this was we dug out the sod in this area. Sod is grass, and so we can put this on it. Now, if you want to grow your potatoes in your garden bed, you can just place it on top of it. But if you want to put it in the ground like how we did or somewhere else, just dig out the sod and kind of like loosen this the dirt a little, and then put it on top. If you're you can also grow it with your dirt, and if your dirt is good enough for your potatoes to grow in, you can just use your soil dirt, and then you can fertilize it. But if your soil's your dirt is not like great for the potato grows, you can just go buy some at the store and put it in. And right now, what we're gonna do is potatoes. Yeah, actually, let me explain this. The potatoes, if you can use sweet potatoes, white potatoes, red potatoes, and stuff like different types of potatoes, whatever you want. Now, if you could go either to like your farmer's market or something and buy potatoes, or you can go to like your grocery store and buy organic potatoes. These ones are better to grow with because they are organic and they won't have all that chemical stuff on it.
And they'll produce more.
Yeah, they'll produce more and stuff. Anyways, so yeah, you're gonna use those. You're gonna grab your type of potatoes you want. Make sure they're organic, and then you're going to have your soil, whichever you're using, and you're going to fill your bed. You're going to fill it with 4 inches, like above it, 4 inches high, so you don't want a lot.
Like that.
We're using Russet potatoes. That's ones that we like to use with company. Yeah, Russet potatoes. Hi, Shandy. Yeah, thank you for you want to say your name? Good girl.
Good girl.
Okay, it's like, can you please pick this up? Now we're gonna fill our bed thing that we built. If you want to learn how to build this and stuff, link in the description to figure out how to. Anyways, how is this going? Dump it in. We have now filled it 4 inches up with soil. I forgot to explain one thing. Right? This needs more of these minor things, these square boxes. My dad has them over there. He's not done building them yet. He just has the wood. Oh, and make sure you have pressure treated wood too. Now, when you have your 4 inches of soil in, you're going to grab your potatoes and you're going to put them in. And it's not like a seed where you put one seed in. It's a bunch of, it's like you use as much, like 7 or 8 potatoes. Oh no. Okay, so you're gonna okay, so you're gonna grab your potato and you're gonna put it on top of the soil. Now make sure they're kind of separate. They can't be like right next to each other, but they have to just be like on top of the soil. Come out.
Potato eyes.
And we are now. Oh wait, how many potatoes do we have left over?
6.
How many's in here? Okay, so we're gonna use 6 potatoes because we have another bed over there. I don't know if you can see it. And we have 6 more potatoes, so we'll grow those into there. Good. Daddy's
Here. Yay, our father's here. Yay. Okay.
okay, so what? Shandy's on. Anyways, so what we gotta do next is you're gonna fill it with more soil, 4 inches up. Now you can't do too much soil or else they won't grow. So we're gonna add another 4 inches of soil into here. And yes, now I'm gonna put these potatoes aside.
Don't need them.
More potatoes.
We don't need potatoes.
So now we are gonna put in 4 more inches of soil.
4 more inches.
I don't even think we need the shovel.
Oh, yeah.
to the top and it overflows. That's what the red one looks like. Anyways, after you do that, you're gonna go like that. And then after it gets all the way to the top and it's ready to harvest, you will take off one of these. You're gonna open it up with by taking off one. You only do the bottom. You do the bottom first, take it off, grab all your potatoes.
You have to unscrew it to open it up.
Yeah, and then you screw back in, and then you wait, and then you have to wait as long as it says. Take off none. You're going to keep on doing that until you harvest all of it, and then you'll start over again. Now, don't worry. When you open it,
the roots will hold the soil, so the soil won't come bulging out.
Yeah, the roots and stuff will hold the soil, so the dirt and stuff doesn't come out. So don't worry about that. Okay, anyways, and then that's how you do that, and you'll have all your potatoes stuck at the end of the year.
Delicious.
I actually don't eat potatoes right now. Baked
Potato.
Anyways, and that concludes our homes. Oh wait, why am I editing it? Okay, anyways, we will show you guys the updated